Hi everyone. Some of you had questions for the homework that's due next Tuesday, next Monday. All right, we went over briefly in class. We did a class session. All right, notice, ladies and gentlemen, that I did include the attachment for the priorities. All right, which we had talked about in class, and the to-do list. Excuse me. So in class, you have to list all of the activities for the day itself, which was Tuesday, February 21st. All right. Then after you did that, you listed the activities for each day of the week according to their priority for the day using the four categories. These are the four categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, neither urgent nor important. Now, the homework assignment is to take that list and to take the categories, all right, and put them in your to-do list. This is the same to-do list that's here as the attachment. I use the attachment because it might be more flexible and easier for you to work with the document itself rather than trying to type anything here, because it's going to be very difficult. Or try to cut and paste and it's not going to work for you. So you can make these boxes. Obviously, you're going to make these cells a whole lot larger than what they are. So at 12 a.m. in the morning, I'm assuming that you're sleeping or just about ready to sleep. So let's say you start your day at 8 a.m. or 7 a.m. All right. And you put the list of activities. So you wake up in the morning, you brush your teeth, you have breakfast, list all of that. All right. In 7 a.m. Then by 8 o'clock, something else happens. All right. Then thinking about what your to-do list. All right. This is your to-do list. This is not your routine. Okay. This is your to-do list. What do you need to do at 8 o'clock in the morning? Obviously, maybe making breakfast for your children and making sure that they're out there. All right. So if you look at your urgent and important list, okay, then and the time that you're doing that, that's what you should be looking at. You do not put in the to-do list urgent and important, because that's going to be whatever is urgent and important. Well, at 10 a.m. in the morning, that's what you're supposed to put up there: a doctor's appointment, social service, or whatever it is that's important for you at the time, probation, whatever it is, class, whatever it is, okay, visiting mom, making a phone call, straightening out, meeting with a teacher, or anything like that. So this is a list that you have already created from here, the activities. So if you look at your activities every day, what are those activities that are urgent and important? What are important but not urgent? The idea is, ladies and gentlemen, that not everything is urgent and important. Not everything is urgent and not everything is important. You want to start prioritizing. So when you look at your to-do list, and not every day do you have something that's urgent. Not every day do you have something that's important. All right. And not every day do you have something that's urgent and important. If you've got a paper or a homework assignment that's due on Friday, that's when you put that there. Friday, let's say February 24th. That paper is due on Friday. That's your target. All right, so it's urgent and it's important because it's got to get done by 2 o'clock in the afternoon. All right, do you see where I'm going with this? So before you put anything on your to-do list, what are your activities? And what activities for each day? And then you categorize them only on this sheet of paper where it says priorities, because I put the priorities there. That's where all of that goes. The to-do list has all of those items that you're going to do for each day. All right, so if you have any questions about this, post in Q&A, because other people might have the same questions, and then let's see how we can work this out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Bye-bye.